Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Kaggle JSON file. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Kaggle website. This is the main platform where you can access your account settings, datasets, notebooks, and API options. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed in to the correct account before moving forward, since the JSON file you download will be tied to that account. Next, look to the top right corner of the Kaggle page and click on your profile account icon. This will open the account menu where you can access personal settings and developer-related options. If you do not immediately see the option you need, take a moment to let the menu fully expand so all account choices are visible. From that menu, click on your API tokens. This will take you to the API section of your Kaggle settings. The API area is where Kaggle allows you to create credentials for programmatic access. In other words, this is the section used when you want tools on your computer, such as scripts or command line workflows, to connect to your Kaggle account securely. Once you are on the API settings page, find the button labeled Create Legacy API Key and click it. This is the action that generates the Kaggle JSON file you need. That file typically contains the credentials required for Kaggle API access, so it is important to store it in a safe location after downloading it. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a folder you can easily find later, such as your Downloads folder or another secure location you use for setup files. After that, a confirmation prompt may appear. When it does, click Continue. As soon as you confirm, Kaggle should generate and download the JSON file to your computer automatically. Depending on your browser settings, the download may begin right away, or you may see the file appear in your Downloads bar or Download Manager. At this point, the process is complete. You have successfully downloaded your Kaggle JSON file. As a helpful reminder, this file is sensitive because it is used to authenticate access to your Kaggle account, so avoid sharing it publicly or uploading it to unsecured locations. Keep it private and use it only where needed for your Kaggle API setup. And that's it. You now know how to download a Kaggle JSON file quickly and correctly.